Mr. Barber, please come on the stage, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. So, आज यहाँ पे क्या सीखने वाले हैं? Caller mic, please.
Very, very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajesh Lakher and I am the Creative Director for SK Beauty Resources. So, आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि Mr. Barber Tools यूज़ करके आप कितना इंटरेस्टिंग हेयर कट कर सकते हैं. सो टूल के साथ टेक्निक भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन दैट. सो आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ समथिंग वेरी न्यू एज एंड समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आई थिंक आई एम ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. Can we please call the model?
I think the model you have to. Not you. Oh, I think Rajesh is modeling.
So I have a model with me. She is Dolly, a very beautiful tall model, and you can see I have done some color, but ये दिखेगा better जब मैं cut कर लूँगा. So let me finish the haircut. And please enjoy the haircut, have patience, and we are going to show you a lot of techniques. Please come, Dolly.
No, I'll do that on stage.
Dolly, please call another.
Once again, I'd like to call on stage. Please come here, Priscilla ma'am. Are you there? Yes. And make some noise from Priscilla ma'am. We already हम लोग देख चुके हैं प्रिसिला मैम का सेमिनार पहले ही. नेक्स्ट और एक बार आपको मौका मिला प्रिसिला मैम का सेमिनार देखने का. थैंक यू.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to be here amidst my fraternity, other hairdressers like myself. Thank you very much to Mr. Barber and Rajesh for having me on as your guest artist. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure you are here, and आपका presence बहुत वैल्यू रखता है हमारे लिए. The kind of expertise you have, the kind of years of experience you have in your baggage, and we are really thankful that you are joining hands with us, and I'm very happy for it. So let's begin the show then.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I think over to Madam. She can explain what exactly she is doing so that I can also explain after her.
This is a layered bob, what I am doing. But what I've done, the sectioning is such that if you look at it, it will fall over like an undercut. Not very, very short under the main length, but much shorter than the main length. So we remove bulk from the inside, which gives a flexibility to styling. So this is one section. This would be to the front and this side. So essentially, it is a layered bob, or in the words of Rajesh, a new age bob. All right? Do you have a chair? Okay. Do you have a chair for me to sit? Chair. Okay, no problem. So my model is Tanushree, and here we go. The light's coming in my eyes. Okay, so. So I'm cutting my layer in the shape of the hair, so it will fall in a rounded shape. It is a 90-degree haircut, but I am adding a little weight in this area so that I can later on blend the much longer parts. If I take it very short here, that blend may not be possible. Okay, so this way the blend will happen a little more effortlessly. Over to you, Rajesh.
Thank you, thank you. सो वी हैव 2 डिफरेंट वैरायटी। आज हम 2 डिफरेंट टाइप की टेक्निक कर रहे हैं। आप देखेंगे मैडम कर रहे हैं शॉर्ट हेयर, एक्सट्रीमली शॉर्ट हेयर विद द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेयर, ग्रेजुएशन एंड लाइन। और आप मुझे देखेंगे आई एम डूइंग अ वेरी क्लासिक कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी लुक। क्लासिक एट द सेम टाइम उसमें थोड़ा सा आर्टिस्टिक टच आप कैसे ऐड करते हैं। सो हमारे पास 2 शॉर्ट हेयर है। नॉर्मली इट्स हार्ड टू सी शॉर्ट हेयर, बट इस शॉर्ट हेयर में वी आर शोइंग यू द वैरायटी। सो आई होप यू विल लाइक इट। आप देख सकते हैं मैंने कैसे लिया है। अच्छा, एक और भी चीज़ है विच आई वॉन्ट टू हाईलाइट, आई वॉन्ट टू फोकस। जब भी आप हेयर कट करते हो, देर आर 2 वेज। इधर यू टेक लॉट ऑफ सेक्शन एंड आप उसको आइसोलेट करते हो, और आप ओपन हेयर करते हो। सो नाउ मैडम, शी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज, so she likes to take, isolate the section, nicely clean section. Then I have another way. So we had this idea कि let's create the mood board in such a way कि किसी को आप देखोगे बहुत सेक्शन लेके करते हैं, you can work in this way. कई लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सेक्शन लेके नहीं करते हैं, you can work in that way. So आपके पास 2 वैरायटी है, बट शॉर्ट हेयर में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है उसकी सेक्शनिंग। सो आप देखोगे शॉर्ट हेयर पे अगर मैं हेयर आइसोलेट नहीं भी कर रहा हूँ, but you will see the way nicely fine subsections I'm taking and I'm cutting hair. I think over to you.
Yes, so like Rajesh said, sometimes you do these cuts without sectioning, without section clips. In the salon, sometimes we are so busy, we may not have the time to do that. And it works very well if you use the proper product to actually get the section out of the way, the hair that has been previously cut, so your guideline is clear. So my main sections I have sectioned off with clips because I don't want it interfering with this cut in any way.
I don't need
with
that.
any hair at the back.
Just water spray.
Because sometimes what happens is, especially when you're on stage, we don't want to be taking any area in front of this particular place shorter than is required. So I've sectioned it off. Acha, ghuma do?
Is that okay now?
Is that better? Okay. So here we go. I'm just cross-checking so that I'll get as little weight as possible on the ends.
Hello, hello, hello.
Can you see? Is it visible?
Hello.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I pretty much have it as short as I want to go here. I'm taking my front section and gradually, or rather the upper portion here, blending it into this section. Again, it's 90 degrees with a little weight build up on top here. This is not exactly 90 degrees. I'll do that when I release the next section here. Over to you, Rajesh.
Okay, thank you. So आप देख सकते हो कि जब भी मैं कट करता हूँ, in order to have balance रखने के लिए, because जब भी आप या तो आप बैठ करके काटते हो, there is one way. उसके पीछे लॉजिक ये है कि जब भी आप आई लेवल पे कट करते हो, हमेशा प्रिसीशन लेवल बेटर रहता है. सो हैविंग सेड दैट, आपको हमेशा आई लेवल पे कट करना है. सेकेंडली, जब भी मैं कट करता हूँ, बिकॉज कई बार आप बैठ करके काटते हो, जब आप बैठ करके काटते हो तो आपके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट है कि आप इधर जाओ फिर एक बार उधर जाओ. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़, मैंने एक बार डेप्थ क्रिएट कर लिया ऑसिपिटल बोन तक, देन आई प्रेफर टू कंप्लीट वन साइड. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ न्यू थिंग विच यू कैन सी, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फोकस द वे आई एम कटिंग द हेयर, द वे आई एम होल्डिंग द सीजर. कभी भी आपकी सीजर आपके थंब के अंदर नहीं जानी चाहिए. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू होल्ड द सीजर. I think over to you.
Yes, so I quite like the color of this scissor, Rajesh. this rose gold. So you can take this edge really sharp, razor it down, or you can leave it slightly like this in keeping with my client's wishes, or rather the model's wishes. I've kept this a little more fluid and a little more feminine. Okay, so I'll blend the back now. Point cutting does give it a more new agey texture, which I'm doing. I'm over directing because I want to keep a bit of length to the front. And if there's any questions anyone wants to ask, don't feel shy to. So I'm going to release a bit of this hair in the front now and blend it in, maintaining my length. Again, maintaining length by over directing to the shortest point here. Yeah, that'll be later. Thank you. I'll need my blow dryer now.
I would request you,
Yes.
if you can just tell something about the scissor which you're liking about the scissor, and how important it is to use the scissor in a right way for right kind of haircut. But I just want to know that how do you choose which size of scissor would you like to use, or normally you like to use small scissor, or you like to use long scissor? Like any guideline on that?
I prefer the 5.5 because it swivels around quite easily. What I like about this scissor is that it's ergonomic. It, you know, it's easy on the hands. A lot of hairdressers have occupational hazards like wrists. Ergonomic scissors help them with that. So it's why I like this particular
Thank you.
one.
Thank you for that. कि, no, it's so important to understand कि एक scissor पे ergonomic होना कितना ज़रूरी है. Ergonomic means snag free. It means आप देखो इस scissor पे ये एक तो offset है, दूसरा क्या है? It's slightly tilt there. So ergonomic होने से क्या होता है? It's very easy for you to cut the hair, and it's like low strain to your wrist and your shoulder and then your elbow. Okay, over to you, ma'am. Would you like to say something on that? The cut which you are doing.
The 9-point brush.
I think she is busy settling. Okay, I want to give you one trick. जब भी आप कट करते हो बॉब हेयर कट में, कभी भी अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको यू शेप नहीं चाहिए. आई पर्सनली नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ यू शेप. अगर आपको यू शेप नहीं चाहिए, आप कभी भी हेयर लाइन के बियॉन्ड मत काटो. ऑलवेज कट एट द बैक ऑफ द हेयर लाइन. मैं आपको ये सेक्शन दिखाता हूँ, जस्ट हैव ए लुक. और इसमें एक और भी चीज़ है जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं टैबिंग. तो कान के ऊपर के बाल को आप कैसे टैब करते हो और कैसे एक पॉकेट, मतलब कई बार क्या होता है जब हेयर ड्राई हो जाता है, अगर आप उसको टैब नहीं करते हो तो एक पॉकेट सा क्रिएट हो जाता है. अगर वो पॉकेट नहीं क्रिएट करना है, टैब एंड ऑलवेज कट विद इन द हेयर लाइन. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये सेक्शन आप देखो. इससे क्या होता है, आपका बॉब थोड़ा एजी लगता है. आई जस्ट शो यू दिस. यू सी दिस. इस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन पे हेयर लाइन के आगे नहीं काटना है. ऑलवेज नेवर एवर कोम लाइक दिस एंड कट. ऑलवेज कट विद इन द हेयर लाइन. इट मीन्स आप इस सेक्शन को ऐसे लो and you just place your finger there and then you can cut like this. The moment you do that, you see the front becomes more edgy. अगर मैं आपको normally comb करके देखूं, you see the way it looks more edgier. अगर आपको edgy करना है, आपको hair line के हमेशा अंदर ही काटना है. At the back also, in the front also. Thank you. Priscilla, you would like to say something on the blow dry, the kind of brush which you're using?
I'm using a 9-row brush. It's very good for shorter hairstyles, especially haircuts that are round in shape. So this takes the shape of the hair and the skull very beautifully. Also with this hair dryer, Rajesh, is that it's BLDC, which means direct current, so you use less electricity, and it also has a 2x5 more lifespan. So that's good for people in the salon. Yeah, just give me that. Thank you. So I'll put in the finishing touches to this style after I do the ironing. Yeah, thank you.
So this section is almost done. I hope this is clear to everybody. I have given 2 important tips. कभी भी hair line के beyond नहीं काटना है और scissor को कैसे hold करना है. And I'll show you इसमें कैसे आप थोड़ा सा texture create करते हो. As an artist, for me, texture is everything. Means how do you create the texture? So texture कैसे create करते हैं, इसका मैं आपको एक technique दिखाता हूँ. उससे पहले let me just finish the haircut and I will also show you कि शाइन बैंड कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं. तो मेरे मॉडल पे मैंने शाइन बैंड क्रिएट किया. लुक्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी. यू कैन डू इन 20 to 25 minutes. तो उसका सेक्शनिंग भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि एग्जैक्टली हाउ आई हैव डन इट. इट लुक्स वेरी आर्टिस्टिक, एट द सेम टाइम इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी टू डू इट. Over to you, Priscilla. Would like to say something about the styling which you're doing?
Yeah, she has very, very, very curly hair. And to give it that new agey effect, I'm just going to do a bend wave in the front of the hair before I texturize it. So because of the curly nature of her hair, I'm just pressing it out a bit before I take the, before I do the bend wave in the front of the hair. So it's a rough ironing. I'm not going into great detail because it's basically to press the curl out. Yeah. I just want a little rough ironing, yeah? Because my final objective is not to have it straight, but to have a little curl. So, yes, that's volume under the curl.
You're almost done, I believe. Almost finishing touches, isn't it?
Yeah, about 10 minutes to go. I'll just thin it wherever it's necessary.
Meanwhile, I'm just telling them about the dryer.
Sure.
If that works with you,
Yes.
let me tell them about the dryer and the dryer which you're using. The USP of the dryer. मैं आपको एक बहुत ही interesting dryer दिखाना चाहता हूँ. ये जो particular dryer है, I really want you all to just feel it once. एक बार मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग इसको feel करो. This particular dryer is the most innovative dryer in India, I would say. I really want somebody to just to feel it, feel the dryer, would like to feel it, how lightweight it is. इस dryer का सबसे important चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा highlight करता हूँ, dryer में सबसे important होता है उसका electricity consumption. इस particular dryer में with BLDC, with brushless direct current, because it runs on the direct current, it saves the electricity by 25 to 30%. Moreover, हर dryer की coil की life होती है, that is 600 to 800 hours. इस ड्रायर की लाइफ है, हम लोग बोलते हैं मिनिमम 2500 to 3000 आवर्स, दैट इज 2.5x. एंड मोर ओवर इस ड्रायर में वी हैव 5 डिफरेंट सेटिंग, 1 विथ मैनुअल सेटिंग एंड 4 विथ ऑटो सेट. मोर ओवर इट हैज़ ऑटो क्लीनिंग फंक्शन ऑल्सो विच यू कैन डू मे बी हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ड्रायर यूसेज ऑफ द ड्रायर. So I hope you liked it. I really want everybody to please come to the stall, feel the dryer, how the dryer is, how lightweight it is, how easy it is to use. Thank you so much. So this is very innovative machine. We are first in India and we are third in the world for that matter. And BLDC का एक दूसरा machine है. We started like almost like a year and a half back. That is another BLDC machine, and that is the only difference is कि उसमें auto set नहीं है. But you can just to start with the machine, you can just try using that. It saves your time also by 25 to 30%. Moreover, 20 to 30% electricity भी save करता है, which is the most important thing with BLDC machine. That is the most innovative machine what one can use in the dryer. Okay? And my cut is almost done. और cut करते वक्त जब भी आप cut करते हो और cut finish करते हो, I always suggest never ever use nozzle. अगर आप nozzle use करते हो, then what happens? You kill the natural root lift from the hair. So अगर आपको natural root lift नहीं kill करना है, always avoid using the nozzle. In my haircut, I'm not doing that.
The tong. So my styling.
This technique, it is called. What happened? Ma'am.
Yes.
They are requesting you that can you please turn the chair so that they can see what exactly are you doing.
All right.
They want to just see the finishing of your haircut.
So I just slightly thinned it and matched it with the bulk that was here. Okay? You can take it much thinner, you can shave it off, but essentially that's what I did. Would you like me to do that again? Okay. So here we go. I'm doing what we call the bend wave. It's currently very trendy right now. Can you see me? Are you able to see me? I need a hairspray. So with this, yeah, we just take it down, twist it slightly, and in the old days they said you have to take that in. Well, now you leave it out. You want that beachy look. Yeah, thank you. Watch, I'm twisting it, bringing it low, taking it a little to the back because I want a slight slope in the front of the hair, and I'm leaving it. That's called the bend wave. Okay, it's currently trending, and I think quite a few of our celebrities are sporting it. The last time I saw was, okay, I'll do that again, just a slight more of a bend. Does anyone know which celebrity is sporting a bend? Looking good, Rajesh.
Hey, thank you so much. And I'm really loving the kind of cut she is doing. It's a very two-dimension kind of haircut. You see what she is doing in a very pixie with a blend of graduation, line and layer. And what I'm doing is absolute solid, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एकदम solid line. Why? Because also for the reason the kind of color I have done. अगर आप color बहुत hi-fi करते हो, अगर आप color बहुत ज़्यादा different करते हो, creative करते हो, then try to keep the cut more subtle. अगर आप कलर बहुत सिंपल करते हो, then try to make the cut more interesting, more dynamic and more edgy. So that's my philosophy of doing haircut. Madam, what is your philosophy doing haircut?
Well, I feel that a lot of women are working, women and men, and they need to do things as quickly as possible. Some styling takes like forever. So keeping that in mind, I think these bend waves and things that are not too, I would say, don't look too stylized, work for the modern girl. So how we do this is, again, clip it, bring it down, and then you just twist it in this way. And when you're styling, everything must be done when it's hot. Because what generally happens is, the minute it cools, it sits in that. I find that when I'm styling hair, and I find that the curl is too prominent, I just loosen it slightly. Right now, I feel that I need to put in a little bit more of a curl, so I'll go in there one more time, twist it. Are you almost done, Rajesh?
Yeah, I'm almost done. And I'll just take 2 minutes. I'll just show you one technique, as I promised, as a bonus, what exactly you can do while adding some texture to the hair. What you can do, you can just take this hair, and then you can just lift the hair, and you can cut from in between. How? It's very easy. Just lift the hair in this way, and texturize the hair like this. So the extra length which you can just remove, just to add more balance and more structure to the hair. This is very easy. You can just do that. We call reverse, it's like reverse slicing kind of thing. So this will not remove the bulk from the hair. At the same time, this will add texture to it. So this is also a very nice thing which I always prefer to do on the dry hair, because on dry hair it's easy to do. You can do in a more controlled way, and it will not disturb the line which I have created. Hope you all are liking the kind of color which I have done. And I'll explain you what exactly I have done. It's very, very simple. I have taken just one band in one slice. One slice in the center, band, and separated in both the sides. Same thing I'm repeating on the sides, just to add a bit of texture to it. I hope you all can see that. Priscilla, would you like to do some Q&A before we end the show? In between, you can just, you can just ask something related to the cut which you have done.
Okay.
And related to the technique.
Let's have a little quiz, Rajesh. And I just would like to know if anyone of you have tried something similar in your salons. Have you all tried something similar in your salons? Anyone tried something similar, like this sort of a cut in your salons? Anyone? There are gifts to be given, so you can go ahead and answer. Anyone?
I have some giveaways to give you. Who will answer me? I think, Priscilla, you can also join me before we end the show.
So, okay, one quick education question. What degree of hold removes weight? What degree of hold removes weight from the hair? Pardon? Pardon? 180, did you say? Yes. So I think basically anything over 90 removes weight. We go into layering, high layering. Yeah, so I think you will get a little prize, Rajesh. She gets a prize. She answered correctly.
Yes, of course, of course.
Yep, come.
Smile, you can help me out with it.
Where are the prizes?
Yes, please give away, just give it to her. It's there in the trolley. And also,
Yes, yes.
who will tell me what cut I have done? मैंने कौन सा cut किया है? किस degree पे cut किया है? Who will say that? Who will say that?
Please come. Please come.
Who? It's a classic bob. Of course, it's a classic bob. I have something to give you. You can please come on stage. Would you like to come on stage? Just to have a quick photo with me. Can you? I'll just hold your hand. Just please come on stage. Okay. I can give you the scissor which I was using. आज जो मैं scissor use कर रहा था.
Where is
you can
that
please
young
come
lady?
here.
Ah.
Priscilla, you can also come here once.
Welcome.
Let's have a photo here.
Yes, come.
So, I am giving my comb. It's a very precious thing for me. The comb which I was using. मैं जिस comb को use कर रहा था, that's for you. And also the black Teflon scissor which I was using. So that's absolutely yours. And you can also come. You can just also.
Well, yes, so she answered perfectly well. 180 degrees. I mean, which is like over direction. At one, you get removal of weight in the area that the hair is cut from, the top. You may get build up here, but that's another complicated theory, but she answered correctly. Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. And we have few more giveaways to give. You can, guys, we have few more bands and badges which we'd like to distribute to you all. Priscilla, you can also help me out with it.
Absolutely.
Just we have few more things to give away. You can just come and join me once before we end the show and give the glimpse of the technique what we have done.
Yes.
Who would like to take it? Because we don't have much of time. And whoever has really liked the technique, our presence, the way we have done it, if you got connected as a creative community, I really appreciate that. If you really want to have this with pride, please take it. Whoever wants to come and take it.
Yeah.
We'd like to give you.
It's part of your participation.
That's a band what we have. We have few key rings.
It's a nice memento that you are here.
Yes, thank you so much. We have some key rings. Calm down, please. Calm down, please.
You were here with us. Thank you.
We have few things to give. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much.
There are keychains, there are badges, there are...
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oops, thank you for being so participative.
Thank you very much. Please sit. We have something else to show. Please sit. And we have few more giveaways. Thank you very, very much. I'll see you off stage. We have something to finish. Thank you. Okay. I hope you understand that. And we have this also, Priscilla.
Yes.
We can also give. You can pick up whoever you want to give. You can just give it from your hand.
Okay. So this, as you know, is a styling wand for very tiny curls. And I could give this to someone who comes up with a really nice name for, okay, so what was the color technique Rajesh used on his hair?
Who can say that? What is the color
What has
technique?
he mentioned
मैंने कौन सी
it?
technique की थी मेरे hair पे? Who will say that? Huh? Block
He
technique, of
mentioned
course.
it during the cut.
Priscilla, I
Yes.
think he has said the right thing. We can give
Block
it to him.
technique, there you go.
एक बार जोड़े हाथ ताली हो जाएगा.
Hey, thank you so much.
Is the iron on? Is the iron on? Yeah. Is there, do you have a buzzer here? No, a buzzer. Bend your head. Because when you walk. Any more questions to be asked? I quite enjoy that asking questions.
কারুর কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে?
This is
কারুর কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে এখানে যারা রয়েছেন একটা
Yes.
প্রশ্ন? ওকে.
The iron's on? Yeah.
हेलो
So-
सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है किस टाइप के डेंसिटी पे ऐसा कट करना पॉसिबल है? एक्चुअली मतलब हेवी डेंसिटी में अगर ऐसा कट करे तो वो अगर सेटिंग नहीं करते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा फ्लॉपी दिखता है.
हाँ, इसका आंसर मैडम ही देंगे बिकॉज मैडम इस टेक्निक को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. प्रिसिला, आई
Yes.
थिंक दैट्स द एप्रोप्रिएट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, नॉट फॉर मी.
What was that? I didn't get that. क्या कहा आपने? Sorry.
मैंने पूछा मैम कि किस टाइप के डेंसिटी वाले हेयर पे आप ये कट करना प्रेफर करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर वॉल्यूम.
कौन सा कट? इसमें?
हाँ, इसमें
You देखिए, ये this cut can be done on any kind of hair. किसी भी तरह का hair के ऊपर कर सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि ये जो है ना, हम बहुत टेक्सचराइज करते हैं और वेट हम निकालते हैं अंदर से. देखिए, अगर आप देखते हैं यहाँ पे, तो हमने यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक लेयर किया है, तो वेट निकाला हमने. एंड अगर बाल बहुत घने हो तब हम ज़्यादा वेट निकाल सकते हैं बाल के नीचे से. इसको कहते हैं collapsing the bob. So that's something you can do. Any kind of hair. However, I'll say one thing, that certain types of hair are very, very chemically treated, very dry, and they just don't have, they're curly and they're straight. There's no uniformity. You may find this cut a little difficult, but in this day and age, with the messy bob, with the bend technique, with the undo technique, any hair can be styled into any cut. But this is ideal for density removal. My model has very thick hair. Very thick hair. Did that answer your question?
Yes ma'am, thank you.
Yes, thank you. All right.
Anybody else? আর কারুর কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে? আর কারুর কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে এখানে?
We
Okay.
are almost done, I
Yes.
believe.
I'm done.
Just few section left, I believe.
Yes,
Just
I'm
few
done. I'm done. You know
finishing
something?
touches. That's the most important thing.
You know, Rajesh, you can never get done with a haircut. Any little time you get, you move this way, that way. So, well, I'm done. I'm just checking. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Okay. All right, young lady. Thank you. Should we go?
Now I just want only one thing. Who will say, I love Mr. Barber at the top of your voice? Who will say that? कौन सबसे ज़्यादा जोर से बोलेगा, I love Mr. Barber? Oh my
तब
God.
तो मैं माइक
Oh,
में बोल
that was a
दूंगी.
very loud
We
voice.
all love Mr. Barber. Please come and take it. Please come and take it. मैडम को देना
All
थोड़ा
right.
giveaway.
One more very important question. Who is going to use Mr. Barber? Who is going to use it? I didn't hear a yes. There you go. You're here. All right.
So are we ready to,
Yes, we'll walk with our models.
yes, to give a
Yeah.
walk? Yeah. Please come. We'd like to show you what we have done.
Yes.
Let's music, please. Okay. please come. Hold your hand. Okay.
Thank you for being so participatory and encouraging us.
Thank you so much.
We each have to encourage each other. We are one fraternity. Thank you so much. So, yep, there you
Guys,
go.
please make some noise. একটু জোরে হাততালি হোক প্লিজ সবার কাছ থেকে।
This is your bench base. Alright?
Okay, let's do separate walk for the model.
Yes.
Guys, one by one, please give a final walk. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody and happy evening to everyone.
Put your hands together for them.
Let's clap, let's clap. Thank you so much.
Make some noise, guys. Put your hands together. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Priscilla ma'am and Rajesh sir.
Thank you.
Let's take one pic with him. Thank you.
Clap for them.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. আমি আবার একবার রিকোয়েস্ট করব হাউসকিপিং এর প্লিজ একটু স্টেজটা ক্লিয়ার করার